Hello viewers, welcome back. This is Mathrick. If this is the first time you have come across with this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new update. Today's lesson we are looking at the trigonometric identities. So in this question we are told to prove that cot A minus cos A over cot A plus cos A is equals to cosec A minus 1. Here this plus divided by cosec A plus 1. So now let's get started. Solution, cot A minus cos A over cot A plus cos A should be equals to cosec A minus 1 over cosec A plus 1. So we have to prove by getting one of the sides. So here we have left hand side and the right hand side. So we have to get the one which is the complicated, in which the left hand side it's complicated. So in which cot A, it is 1 over sine A multiplied by cos, because we all know that cos A divided by sine, it is cot, minus cos A over cot A, it is 1 over sine A multiplied by cos A plus cos A, in which here we are going to factorize what is common. It is cos A, which is cos A outside, then cos A into 1 over sine A, it is we are going to remain with the 1 over sine A minus sine A into sine A, we are going to remain with the 1 here, close brackets, then 1 over sine A multiplied by cos A plus cos A. What is common here? It is cos A, in which it will be cos A, open bracket, cos A into 1 over sine A cos, it is 1 over sine A plus cos A into cos A, it is 1, close bracket. Then cos and cos A goes, then we remain with 1 over sine A minus 1 over 1 over sine A plus 1, which is 1 over sine A, it is let's take it here, 1 over sine A, it is cosec A minus 1 on top, then down 1 over sine A, it is cosec A plus 1. So we are proving this identity is equal to this one here. So thank you for watching.